Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Our today's recipe is Rajasthani Malpua or Meetha Pura. It is very popular in Rajasthan and it's a very easy recipe to make in Diwali. So let's see what we need for this. 1 cup of wheat flour, or even you can take all-purpose flour or maida. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of cream or malai. This is optional. 1½ cup of milk, or as required according to the consistency. And over here we are using lukewarm milk, some fennel seeds and black pepper, and lastly some pistachio for garnishing. Okay, so we're going to start the preparation for Malpua. So firstly we're going to start with the wheat flour. To that we are going to add a granulated sugar. Next we are adding cream. Now cream is optional over here. If you're not using cream, you can use milk. But over here we are using cream because it gives a very nice richness and a very good flavor to your malpuas. Next we are adding fennel seeds and black pepper seeds. Again, this is something which is added in the malpua traditionally in Rajasthan. And now finally we are going to add a lukewarm milk. So for now we have added about half the amount of milk. And now with the help of the whisk we are going to whisk it together. Now if you're taking more of consistency, you can even use egg bitter. Now we are using rest of the milk. So make sure that you whisk it properly so that there are no lumps in your paste. Okay, so over here you can see this is the consistency we require. So keep on adding milk until you get this consistency. Over here we have added about 1 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, and now we are going to let this batter sit for about half an hour or 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about half an hour. So now it's ready to be fried. So over here we have took ghee in a non-stick pan, or you can even take a heavy bottom pan. Now over here you can use either ghee or you can use oil. Now next step is to heat the ghee. So over here make sure that your ghee or your oil is very hot. So your ghee should be flaming hot, and then you can keep it on sim while you're pouring in the batter. So we're going to start by pouring the batter. And if you can see, you're pouring and making small kind of pancake kind of malpuas. And when it starts to plum up, you can just put some ghee on the top, and now we are going to just flip it over. So you can see it got cooked very quickly, so make sure you're there. So right now our gas is on sim, a low flame. So make sure you're cooking your malpuas on medium flame basically. And you can see it has got a beautiful color. So our malpuas are done. And now we're going to remove it in a strainer so that whatever excess ghee or oil you have in the malpua, it will go down. Now we're going to make another one. Again, you can see. Now every time you're making a malpua, make sure that your ghee is very hot before you pour in another malpua. And now we're going to just flip it over, and you can see how tender it is from between, and from the sides it's nice and crispy. So once it gets a nice beautiful golden brown color, it's done. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, so here's a little tip that if you feel like when you're pouring your batter and it spreads a little bit more, you can just add a little bit of flour into the batter to make a proper consistency. Okay, so our Rajasthani Malpuas or Meetha Puras are ready. And you can see they've got a very nice color, and we have garnished them with some pistachios. They taste really good, tender in between and crispy on outside. I think it's a great recipe for Diwali time or any festive time, Holi or Raksha Bandhan, and it's very easy to make. Just you gotta mix the ingredients and then fry them, so it's very easy, no mess, and really quick. So if you try this recipe, do let us know in the comment section down below. If you have any requests for any recipe, you can even comment it in down there. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.